Here was my process for the brake swap. First, I started by pulling off the handlebar grips and loosening the brake lever clamps to make things easier to work with when disconnecting the brake lines. I then snipped all the zip ties, keeping the brake and electric lines tidy. I'll replace these zip ties at the end. Now down to undo the clamp on the brake caliper that holds the brake wire. After pulling out the wire, I pulled the brake line back through the body of the scooter. I then unbolted the old calipers, leaving the original mounting bracket, and then proceeded to install the new hydraulic calipers. The brake lines are already connected to the calipers, so that makes the installation process much easier. I then fed the new brake lines through the scooter and up to the handlebars. After pulling off the old levers and throwing on the new ones, I connected the brake lines to the new levers. Connecting the brake lines requires this little metal olive and threaded hose nut, which gets screwed in with an 8mm spanner or an adjustable wrench if you don't have a spanner that small, like me. The olive and bolt get slid onto the brake line after taking this cap off the line and before inserting the line into the lever. The metal stopper in the brake lever needs to be unscrewed, and the new nut gets threaded in its place. This compression nut will smash the olive as it gets screwed in to ensure no leaks occur. Be sure not to activate the brake lever before the hose is properly installed, or you get brake fluid leaks. So I slid the handlebar grips back on to set up the cockpit properly again. I then wrapped all the wires up as neatly as I could and reattached the zip ties. And that's the basic process I used to upgrade my mechanical brakes to hydraulic brakes.